Alright, welcome everyone to Ryan Richards Slots up here at Potawatomi Hotel and Casino in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I'm trying my luck on a Lightning Dollar Link machine, Kung Fu Master. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so my ticket is in. It's exactly $100. Let me turn the volume up on this machine. There we go. These are the progressives up above that I will be playing for. I'm going to keep it on nickel denom. I need any 3 of those symbols or 5 coins to get into that bonus. Or 6 coins. 6 of those, sorry. That guy right there is wild. Alright, $9.50 line hit. Well, I'm struggling trying to get a bonus here the past several days. I don't know what's going on. Just, the other day when I was on the Puff and Puff machine, wow, that was just a brutal session, man. Good start, come on. Could have gone either way. Come on. Lots of wilds, but one more of it? Just went down underneath that 10. 3 more? I think this is the game where when you get those balls or whatever to land, you can get like a double or triple minor ball in the thing to land. I've never actually got it. I've seen on other YouTube channels, though, people have some luck get those to land. Or a triple mini, I think. So, oh, maybe today I'll get one. I don't know. Come on. Oh, nice numbers. Ay, ay, ay. Come on. All I needed was one more. Come on. And when I need that karate guy to drop in that last reel, he never does. Three? All right, money back, little extra. Come on. Let's get that coin bonus. Let's get something. 450. All right, good start. Yep. Well, it's like I get that karate guy or the coins in the first reel and then just nothing to follow. I don't know what's been going on here lately. It's just me or what? Come on. He was right above that 9. I had 3 chances to get him to land. Couldn't even do it. Very, very disheartening. Oh, look at those numbers. Let's see if I've got any, if I can do a point exchange. I think I have like $10 in points. Let's just do that real quick. All right. Who knows, maybe that's what I need to do just to jump it. Come on. Good start. 3. All right. That was a quick $10. Boy, just nothing. Probably should have changed the denom. Oh well. I mean, look at the numbers that it's dropping, though, on nickel denom. Ah. Yeah. And then he drops them on the next spin. All right, well, that should be a little something there. Line it. Should help keep me alive. $39. All right. Maybe that'll be enough to get into a bonus. Come on. Wow, just nothing is hitting. Come on. Well, didn't line up. All right, nunchucks all the way across. Might be a little 650. All right, a couple more spins. Good start. Oh, 5 again. All right, last spin coming in. Oh, I think, yeah, they give me the bolt or whatever. All right. No luck on that either. All right, well, that was the Lightning Dollar link to Kung Fu Master. I mean, couple, smaller line hits. No bonus, no coin bonus, just absolutely no luck whatsoever. But that's how it goes. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.